The 2-3 shift valve assembly consists of the shift valve, its spring, and a throttle pressure regulating plug. In D range in second gear, line pressure from the manual valve is applied onto a differential area. This helps the spring hold the valve down against governor pressure. In this position, the rear clutch apply and front band release circuit is open to exhaust. With the vehicle moving in second gear and a minimum throttle opening, throttle pressure applies to the top of the regulating plug. But then, throttle pressure is too low to move the regulating plug downwards. The only forces opposing governor pressure are the spring and the line pressure on the differential area land. A 2-3 upshift occurs at relatively low vehicle speed. With the vehicle in second gear, at higher throttle openings, higher throttle pressure moves the plug down towards the shift valve. This re-regulates the throttle pressure to a lower value so that it can act on the top land of the shift valve. This helps the spring control the shift points relative to accelerator position at lower vehicle speeds. As soon as governor pressure is high enough to overcome the opposing forces, the valve upshifts into top gear position. Fluid at line pressure flows across to apply the rear clutch. At the same time, fluid passes through the servo orifice control valve to the release side of the front band servo. The front and rear clutch are the only components being applied, so top gear is achieved.